Hey y'all, it's your girl Crown by Destiny. As y'all read by the title, I'm doing some DIY soft locks. It's a very cute style, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the final look. I'm gonna go ahead and play some music and I'll be right back with y'all. Alright guys, so as y'all seen, I just plaited my hair all over, did some little box braids. So now I got this part in regular speed. You're gonna get your crochet lock. You're gonna get the hook, as you can see. You're gonna go under the braid, hook that lock over, attach the latch, pull it through, put your finger through the hole, and then you're gonna put your braid through there. And then you're gonna pull it tight. So now you have the lock in. I hope you guys could see a good angle. And now this hair is spring twist. It was sent by this company for me to review. That will be linked in the description box. So what you're gonna do is go ahead and pull it apart so it's like fluffy. Again, get your hook, go under the braid, put the hair through the hook, clamp it, pull it through, and then you're gonna pull one side. So you holding both ends now. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna hold one end of the spring twist, your braid, and your lock in one hand. You see, I got it in one hand. And then with the other side of the spring twist, you're going to twist. For the root, you're going to twist about 3 or 4 times and then just twist down the lock until you don't have any more hair. And if your hair is longer, just add another piece of spring twist, or you could pull it through to make the other side longer that you're wrapping. Then you're going to put your nail glue. This is how you secure the spring twist. Put it there, twist it around, and then roll it in your hand, and that's that. Again, same thing. Pull that lock through. Get your spring twist hair, fluff it out. And that was a good quality hair. Thank you for sending me that hair. Again, it'll be linked down below in the description box. And also where I got the locks will be linked as well. Pull that through. Once you clamp your hook, and twist about 3 or 4 times at the root, and then just start going down. Make sure not to do these too tight. I did these too tight before around my edges, and they was gone, but they back now. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead, as y'all can see, coming up on the end. Keep on watching, but I just wanted to pop in and explain that to you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. All right, y'all, so thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, this is the Locs. They're really cute. Let me show y'all the back. I parted them myself. I did, yes, so this is that. They're really cute. Shout out to the company for sending me the hair that I used to wrap the Locs, which was Spring Twist hair. That will be linked down below in the description box where I got that hair from. And also the lock hair, I got that from Amazon. That'll also be down below in the description box, as well as all the products I used to do this hair to achieve this look. So again, thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video. Comment if you have any questions. If you want to do this style, you got some questions, comment. I'll respond back. And like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications. I'm trying to get to 1K, y'all. Trying to get to 1K. But yes, so this is the look. It's lightweight. I like it. And as y'all know, it's about to be some pictures and stuff. So yes, bye y'all.